To the coronavirus pandemic now, more travel restrictions announced today.
8 more states were added to the tri-state's growing travel advisory list as positive cases rise across the nation. CBS 2's Cory James live at JFK tonight with more. Cory.
And Maurice and Christine, among the states added to that list are Georgia, California, and Nevada. And we're learning that this news all coming down as at least one airline, a major airline, starting to see a decline in bookings. It's something many are questioning if more airlines will start to see if that quarantine travel advisory includes more states. When these two West Coast travelers took off from LAX, they were not expecting the news waiting for them at JFK.
I don't know if I would have come if there was a 14-day quarantine.
I'm just like, what am I supposed to do?
Concerns after tri-state area governors added 8 new states to its quarantine order list, bringing the total to 16. The decision was made while a number of passengers were in the air, and Jordan Brammer says once on the ground, it was clear the state was taking the travel advisory seriously.
As I'm walking, somebody stops me and says, "Where did you fly from?" And I said, "North Carolina." I said, "Well, I'm from the New York State Department of Health. You have to sign this form. It's mandatory."
That form asking people for personal information like name, state of residence, and if they have been in one of the states being considered high risk for COVID-19. It also asks for the address of where they are staying and if they have had coronavirus symptoms in the past 24 hours. This all happening after 226% increase in cases in Florida, an 83% rise in Arizona, and a 74% jump in California.
Clearly, we are not in total control right now. I would not be surprised if we go up to 100,000 a day if this does not turn around.
That's one reason New York, New Jersey, and Connecticut are ordering mandatory 14-day quarantines for travelers coming from most of the South and parts of the West. While it's not what some flying in were expecting on this day,
I definitely checked that list before I left.
it is a modification those we spoke with say they understand and will try to honor.
I'll do my best, I think that's the most anybody could do.
I want to stay safe. I want my family to stay safe. I want New Yorkers to stay safe, so I'm going to quarantine.
And New York's Department of Health started handing out these flyers yesterday to travelers coming in from high-risk states. We've also learned that 5 other airports, including LaGuardia, are also doing the same thing. And an airline like Frontier, we've learned, is also handing them out to passengers as well. We're live here at JFK International Airport in Queens. Cory James, CBS 2 News.